Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Loft Academia. This is Harshita. Today we will be discussing IMO International Mathematics Olympiad for Class 4, Chapter 7 Logical Reasoning. Topics which will be covered as a part of this chapter are as patterns, number pattern, figure patterns, analogy comparing two pairs of given figures or terms, odd one out, identify the odd term, figure, or object amongst the given terms, figures, or objects, embedded figures, that is, figure within a figure, mirror images, alphabet test, direction sense test, ranking test, find the position of a term or a object from the given position, decoding, coding, decoding, geometrical shapes and solids, day and dates, and possible combinations. Question number 1. Select the figure from the options which, when placed in blank space of figure X, would complete the pattern. So these kind of questions, what I prefer doing is to complete the pattern over here. Okay, so since I see this line is going to be here, like, so I'm going to make a mirror image. So this line will come here. Okay, all right, and then you can see a line which is going from here, and this could be one, right? So now this is symmetrical. Okay, so looking at this, these are all vertical lines, सब standing line है, ये भी सब standing line होने चाहिए. All right, and then on this part, this has to be symmetrical, तो ये यहाँ पे symmetry हो जाएगा. Okay, now what else is remaining? This particular part. So ये सब sleeping lines है, तो यहाँ पर भी sleeping line होना चाहिए. Okay, so like this. Fine, and then end में there is an arc which is filled. So we have to look for a figure answer where यहाँ पे first starting point should be this one. ये check करने का in the options where it is. So if I look at this, I find this is exactly matching because I have this arc. This is my first thing which I will start searching in my answer. Okay, so I know this is going to come at this corner, so it is there. I can see this horizontal line, vertical lines, this shape and that shape. Okay, so which means figure B, this is the part of this particular whole thing. So option B is the answer. Next question, question number 2. The positions of the first and the last alphabets in the word production are interchanged. So production, first position and the last. So N will come here. बाकी तो as is है. Okay, let's wait. I think there are more information. So first I will change what is there for N and P. So I'm interchanging them. Okay, N and P I'm interchanging. So let me erase for the next one, and let's see what has been given. Okay, similarly the positions of the second and second last alphabet are interchanged, and so on. So on means I have to do it for all of them. Okay, so I'm going to now interchange this R and O. So this will become O and this will become R. I will go over here. Okay, and this O will come here, and this D and this T. So T will come here, D will go here. Okay, so now I have the leftover are U and C. So C will come here and U will become here. So this has become ulta, actually production ulta. ठीक है. Which of the following will be the fourth to the right of the eighth alphabet from the right end after rearrangement. So these kind of questions, what I prefer doing is, I prefer solving the last information given. So it says eighth alphabet from the right end. Now this is right end. Eighth alphabet. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is eighth alphabet from right. Okay. All right. And for which of the following will be the fourth to the right of this? Now right of this eighth alphabet. So I have to go, fourth to the right. So this is first, second, third, fourth. So now this will become fourth, which is right to I. So that is D. So answer to this question is option A, D. Next question, question number 3. Kanika is facing towards museum. So here is Kanika. She is facing towards museum. Okay, she's standing here. She is facing towards museum. She takes 3 upon 8 turn in anti-clockwise direction. So clockwise, this is our clock, right? So clock moves like this now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is clockwise. Okay. And what is anti-clockwise? It is this. This is anti-clockwise. Right? So Kanika now is moving 3 upon 8. Okay, she has taken 3 upon 8 turn in anti-clockwise direction. Matlab ऐसे. Now 3 upon 8 matlab how many you know locations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 8 में से 3 locations उसने turn ले लिया. ठीक है? So now she is doing 3 upon 8 turn in anti-clockwise direction. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So now she is facing cinema hall. Okay, so this is her first turn. And then 1 upon 4 turn in clockwise direction. Pehle she moved this way. Now she is going clockwise. So this way. But how much? 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4, but हमें नीचे 8 चाहिए ना. So 1 upon 4 we have to multiply by 2 upon 2 because denominator 8 चाहिए. Out of 8 कितने उसने turn लिए ना? So that is 2 upon 8. Okay. If we do 1 upon 4 without thinking what is there in denominator, we will end up doing cinema hall से उसने turn लेके park पे के यहाँ पे देखा. But that's not correct. It is 2 upon 8. So which is 1 and 2. So now she is facing temple. What will she be facing now? It is temple. This is her final facing. So that is option B, temple. Showing clockwise and anti-clockwise direction for ready reference. Next question. Direction 4 and 5. There is a certain relationship between the figures in 1 and 2. That is 1 and 2. Okay. So there are some relationship between them for both 4 and 5. Same thing. Establish a similar relationship between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the options. Okay, which will replace this question mark of 4. इन दोनों में कुछ रिलेशनशिप है, वो ही इसमें भी होनी चाहिए. Okay, that's what it means. So we have to find out this question mark. Now, if I look at this particular figure, ये दोनों फिगर सेम है. फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ये दोनों फिगर सेम है. दिस इज शेडेड. सो यहाँ पे भी शेडेड होना चाहिए. ओके, सो शेडेड इफ आई हैव दिस पर्टिकुलर स्क्वायर जो काइट की तरह दिख रहा है, ये दोनों पार्ट शेडेड होने चाहिए. नाउ दिस इज ग्रीन लाइन एंड दिस इज ब्लू लाइन. ये ग्रीन लाइन है तो ये ग्रीन से शेडेड है, ये ब्लू लाइन है तो ये ब्लू से शेडेड होना चाहिए. सो ऑप्शन ए या डी हो सकता है. बट एंड बी एंड सी नहीं हो सकता, बट बिटवीन ए एंड डी कौन सा होगा? सो नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द अल्फाबेट्स विच आर गिवन. ओके, यू हैव एम, एन, MNOP. So NO नहीं है. Okay, so two are missing. MNOP. So N and O are missing. PQRS. So Q and R is missing. Q and R, they both are missing. So PQRS. TUV. TUV. ओके, इन दोनों में तो कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं है. अभी यही लेटर्स, यही सेम लेटर्स, दिस लेटर, दिस इज कमिंग हियर, ओवर हियर. ये यहाँ आ रहा है तो ये यहाँ आ गया और ये यहाँ आ गया. सो PSV और V के बाद VW and X and फिर Y. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ दे आर स्पिनिंग. सो यहाँ पे N है. So I should have this N over here, Q over here, and T over here. Okay. So NQT, NQT. ये दोनों में भी अभी भी मैच कर रहा है. Okay. But after T, what should come here? So it is STUVW, right? UVW. So यहाँ पे W है. This should be the answer. Okay, which is option D. Because you can't have this one. यहाँ पे K repeat कर रहे हैं, इसी को घुमा के K कर रहे हैं. But ये जो M है वो यहाँ है ही नहीं ना. So we can't have this K coming here. So ये तो ऐसे भी drop होना चाहिए. It is W which is matching this pattern. Okay, that should be the answer to this question. Question number 5. There is a relationship again between first and second figure. So let me study that. This is a square, this is also a square. So ये दोनों same रहेंगे. Okay, so which means I should have a circle over here. So this may be circle Z anyways. ये जो red है, it is coming over here. ये जो horizontal lines है, ये they are coming over here. This is coming over here and this is coming. So which means इसका mirror image है वो, right? इसका यहाँ उल्टा दिख रहा है ना. So this is mirror image. Okay. So which means this yellow part should come on this side. So upper side में yellow यही है. So let's see if this is going to be a mirror image or not. बाकी कहीं पे भी I don't see yellow. Okay. So which means yellow part is going to come here and this vertical lines, these lines are going to come here, which is correct over here. And ये जो shaded part है, that will come on this side. Yes, it is. And this is going to be on this side. Yes. So that is why option A is the answer to this question. Direction 6 and 7. Which of the following is the correct mirror image of X? Figure X if mirror is placed along MN. So this is the mirror. Okay. For both the questions, this is the mirror. So the question is, for these two mirrors, if you have kept an object over here, then how that will look like in the mirror. So what its mirror image will look like. Okay, so this particular one will look ulta, right? It will not be one, but uska ulta dikhega yahan pe. So it will be somewhere like this, and 2 will be also ulta, right? So it will be like this. Okay, right? So 2 will look like this. Similarly, all the numbers will also be ulta. ये जो इस direction में you have this hands, right? ये उस direction में हो जाएंगे. Now they are over here, right? Between 3 and 6. Now because 3 will go here, 6 is going to be anyways here. That particular hand will be in middle of this. So if you look at the options, now this will be a mirror image if you have mirror in this direction. तो ये mirror image भी बन सकता है, but वो भी नहीं, because 3 is on this side. 3 should be on this side and 9 should be. So ये तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं. And this one, if I keep it here, let's see. ये 1 and 1 match कर रहा है, 2 and 2 are matching, 9 and 3, and this direction you have hand, and this direction you will get it, and 6, yes, 6 भी यहाँ पे उल्टा है. So this is exactly matching. This should be answer to this question. And if you look at this one, if I keep it here, ठीक है, बाकी सब मिरर है लेकिन हैंड्स भी तो होने चाहिए. So that is missing. And ये तो as is है, तो ये तो हो भी नहीं सकता. So that's why option B is the answer. Question number 7, similar question. Okay, mirror image of this. So which means this yellow is on this side, वो ये side में दिखेगा. Blue is on this side, it will all come on the other side. And green will come on this side and red will come on this side. Okay, बाकी ये तो as is दिखेगा because this is circular only. So which can be satisfied by option B, right? Because this is the mirror, right? So that's why option B is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 8. In a birthday party, 7 friends meet. कितने friends हैं? 7. Each friend shook hands with each other exactly once. सबने एक दूसरे का हैंडशेक किया है, एक दूसरे के साथ हैंडशेक किया है. How many handshakes are there? But the question is with each other exactly once. Okay, so there is no repetition. So first friend जो रहेगा out of 7, the first one will shake with 6 other friends, right? So 6 handshakes. The next friend will do the handshake with 5 other. He will not be able to do with the first one, right? Because उसके साथ already handshake हो चुका है. So the second friend will do the handshake with 5 other friends. Similarly, the third one can do handshake with 4. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth one with 3 more people, fifth one with 2, and then sixth one with only 1 person. Okay, और seventh जो है उसने सबके साथ handshake कर लिया है already. So he or she doesn't have to do the handshake again. So what is the total then? 6 plus 5, that is 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. And 20 plus 1, 21. So total handshakes are 21 if the repetition is not allowed, because it is happening exactly once. If repetition is allowed, तो सब लोग 6 बार करेंगे handshakes, right? And then that total will be different altogether. Okay, but because the repetition is not allowed, that's why you can have the total as this way. All right, next question, question number 9. Which of the following figures will complete the given problem figures? So ये जो particular problem figures है, इसमें dots है और arrow है. Okay, dots are moving, arrows are also moving. So if we notice, the dot is moving in clockwise direction. यहाँ से dot यहाँ आया है, then dot has come here, then here, then it is going here. So which means the dot should be here, next position. And that's why in this next position it's coming here, right? And now arrow is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So this arrow is next time here, then here, then it's coming here, then it is coming here, then this arrow should be here, isn't it? And that's when iske baad it will come in anti-clockwise direction to here. So this is how this figure should look like. Arrow यहाँ पे चाहिए. Now which figure is this? It is option C, which is similar to this one. So dot is moving in clockwise direction and arrow is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So that's why option C is the answer to this question. Another important thing to notice is this pattern is repeating here, right? After 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 blocks, this pattern is repeating. So इसके बाद यही आना बनता है. Okay, so there are two ways of resolving this question. Either you check in which direction the dots and arrows are moving, or you check if the pattern is there. Okay, but not every type of question you will have a pattern, or not every type of question you will see the dots or arrows moving. Okay, so looking at the question, one can decide what is the way to use or which method to use. Okay, Next question, question number 10. Select the correct match. Okay, so um, here you have been given figure and here you have number of lines of symmetry. Okay, so let us see for the figure whether the number of line of symmetry is correct or not. Alright, so for the first one, I see two circles and two triangles over here. So if I make this as line of symmetry, it is not going to work because those are not going to overlap each other. Circle will go on triangle. It doesn't make sense. So my only line of symmetry is this one, this thing, where if I fold this particular figure, it will exactly overlap on each other. So which means I have only one line of symmetry here and not four. For this particular circle, if I fold it here or here, yes, this is exactly, it will fall, it will overlap, and I can even have, now because this being a square, I can even have this as another line of symmetry and this as another line of symmetry. Okay, so this matching, this is matching with 4 and hence this should be answer to this question. Just look at this one. If I actually fold this one, there's no line of symmetry here or there, here or diagonally to any. So this is having 0 line of symmetry, not even 1. And for this particular triangle, because you have one triangle inside it, you can have this as one line of symmetry. If I fold it, it will overlap exactly. But if I fold it on this one, no, it's not the same. If I fold it on this one, it's not the same. So this has only one line of symmetry and hence option B is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 11. Which of the following options is not exactly embedded, मतलब एक के अंदर एक होना in the figure X as one of its part? इसमें से कौन सा इसके अंदर नहीं है? As good as that. Okay, so if I look at this one, you can see this part is there. No, but the complete one I don't see anywhere. So this should be answer to this question, but let us still verify. This part, yes, it is here. X is here, and this Z, this is also here. So yes, answer should be option A. This is not part of this particular figure. Okay, question number 12. Select a number from the options which will replace the question mark. So this question mark. If same rule is followed in all three figures, so there is a rule in all of them. Okay, we have to first find out what is that rule, right? So if I look at the rule, the best thing to do is to check addition. Okay, addition, then try subtraction, then multiplication, and see if the totals are matching, etc. So these kind of ways are there which using which you can find out what could be the relationship. Okay, so if I do 3 plus 9, 3 plus 6, 9, no, and this is 12, it's not matching. If I add it, no, it's not matching. Okay, subtraction also if I try, no, it's not matching. Let me try multiplication. 3 8s are 24, but I don't see 24, but 6 4s are is 24. So okay, this multiplication is matching. So at least I found one pattern in this one, but I have to now check if this pattern is also there. Okay, so 5 9s are 45, yeah, 3 15s are 45. So yes, this pattern is definitely matching. So which means this is 2 multiplied by 14, 28, and what multiplied by 7 is 28, because this particular pattern should match. So it is 4 multiplied by 7, that is 28. So this is matching. So that's why option A is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 13. How many circles are there in the given figure? Okay, so we just have to look for the circle. Um, Let me start with this one. Okay, so I've started from here. 1, 2, 3. So this particular side 3 so far. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 so far. This is 10. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. And this is 15. Okay, so I have got 15 circles in all, but let me re-verify. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, so the answer is 15 circles in the given figure. Next question, question number 14. Arrange the following words according to dictionary and select the correct option. So the first word is prank, praise, prayer, practice and practical. So we have to arrange it according to dictionary. So dictionary में सब सारे words are in alphabetical order. Okay, all of them are starting with P. Okay, so our first word will also start with P. All right. Then all of them are starting with R. So the second letter will also be R. The next one is A. That is also fine. So N, I, Y, C, C. So out of them, C is alphabetically first. A, B, C, D बोलते हैं, right? So C पहले आएगा. So that's why the next letter which is going to be is C. फिर उसके बाद now it is between these two. ये बाद में ही आएंगे. ठीक है? So it is between these two. So practice or practical. So इसमें common क्या है? PRACTI. So TI and फिर C. Okay, till here it is common, and then after C it is between E and A. Between E and A will come first. So that's why practical, which is number 5, will come first, and उसके बाद automatically practice आएगा. Okay, practice. Now we started with this at C. So abhi C are done, right? So we have arranged them in alphabetical order. Okay, so now it is between these three. So on the fourth position जहाँ पे हमने C का यहाँ पे change किया था, after C you have N, you have I and Y. Okay, so between them, which one will come first? To find that out, we should say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So the first one coming out of N, I and Y, it is I. So, and that's why the next word which is going to come is praise. So Praise. 5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2 is only this option. So 1 and 3 आने चाहिए, but let us verify, and this should be the answer. So उसके बाद after I, of course between N and Y, it is going to be N, right, which is going to come first. So one है, one which is prank, and the last one will be prayer. So we have arranged them in the ascending order, or you can say order of the way they are alphabetically arranged in dictionary. So that's why 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. 5, 4, 2, 1, 3 is the answer, which is option D. Next question, question number 15. How many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? So let us look at vertical line. If imagine this is line of symmetry, but if I try to fold it on this, वो overlap नहीं हो रहा. So this is not. For horizontal also it's not overlapping. You have gaps here, but this is filled here. Okay. For diagonal, no. This also is not line of symmetry. This way also it is not line of symmetry. Okay, so this particular figure does not have any line of symmetry. So the answer should be option A, 0. Moving to the next question, question number 16. Some letters are given with numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, followed by 4 options containing combinations of these numbers. So these are the options. Find the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. So what is required to be done over here is ये जो 4, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2 ये दिया है, इसमें you have to start putting the letters which are here. So 4 यहाँ है, तो this will be N. Then you have a 3, then it will be T. Then you have 5, it will become E. Then 6 R, 1 U and 2 A. So likewise ये सारे options में substitute करके देखना. And once that is done, you have to find out which option is making a proper English word. So let me do that. So as you can see, by putting the corresponding alphabets, I get Nature, nature, as the correct English word. So this is the answer to this question. Next question, question number 17. Gaurav's birthday falls just after 4th Tuesday of September. The date on which Gaurav celebrates his birthday is. So it is just after 4th Tuesday. So Tuesday यहाँ पर है. So 4th Tuesday is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4th Tuesday. And just after that, मतलब उसके बाद का next day, which is 23rd of September. And which is option A. Next question, question number 18. Select the odd one out. A, Q, I, H. So if you look at them, A is having one line of symmetry. Q does not have any line of symmetry. I is also having symmetry just like A. And H is also having vertical and also horizontal line of symmetry. So it is only Q which is having no line of symmetry, should be odd one out. Another thing is all of them are straight lines, in short, whether slanting, sleeping or standing lines, all of them are straight lines and this one is curve. So this is another difference to make out this is odd one out. Moving to the next question, question number 19. If earth is called as sky, sky is called water, water is called light, and light is called air, then if someone is thirsty, what would you drink? So when you are thirsty, you drink water, right? But what is water? Water is called as light. So answer to this question is option A, light. Moving to the next question, question number 20. If plane is written as this and ankle is written as this, then how will plank be written? So what we are required to do is we have to check what are the corresponding symbols for each one of them. So P corresponds to at the rate, L is this sign, then A is this hash sign, and then N is this one, and K, you don't have K over here, you have to borrow K from here, which is this percentage. So start writing those symbols and see which option is matching. So let me do that. So writing plank, I get it as this, and this is exactly matching with option B. So this is answer to this question. Next question, question number 21. Which of the following is the heaviest? So I see a weighing scale over here. So I have to, using these three equations, I have to find out which one is heaviest. So for that, the best thing is to start solving them. So this is cat, this is squirrel, and this is rabbit. So I'll use these as my variables. Okay, to represent them, I will use this. Okay, so what we get is cat plus squirrel is equal to 6 kg, right? Then you have rabbit plus this squirrel is equal to 5 kg. Okay, so let me add them. Okay, so when I add these two equations, what I will get is cat plus rabbit plus squirrel is equal to 11 kg. Now cat, rabbit, squirrel is already given as 9 kg, isn't it? cat, rabbit, and squirrel is given as 9 kg from here. So for this, I can say 9 plus squirrel equal to 11. So squirrel's weight is 2 kg. 11 minus 9, which is 2 kg. Okay, so now I have got squirrel. So I can use it over here. So squirrel यहाँ पे डालेंगे. Squirrel is 2 kg. So 2 kg plus rabbit is 5 kg. So which means rabbit is 5 minus 2, which is rabbit is 3 kg. Okay, so now I have got rabbit and squirrel. I can also use this equation where cat plus squirrel is equal to 6. Right, so which means cat will be equal to 6 minus squirrel's weight, which is 6 minus 2 kg, which is equal to cat is coming to 4 kg. So which one of them is heaviest? It is cat, which is heaviest, which is option C. Next question, question number 22. The vanilla cake is larger than coconut cake. The chocolate cake is larger than vanilla cake. Okay, so vanilla is larger than coconut. Okay, so I'll write vanilla is larger than coconut. Okay, and the chocolate cake is larger than vanilla cake. So chocolate is larger. So I'll write chocolate here. Okay, so chocolate cake is larger than vanilla, but it is smaller than mango cake. Okay, so this is smaller than mango, so mango will come here. Okay, which of the following is the correct order of cakes from the largest to the smallest? Okay, okay, so the largest one over here will be mango, chocolate, then will be vanilla, and then will be coconut. So which option shows you that? So looking at the options mango, chocolate, vanilla, coconut, it is matching with option D, mango, chocolate, vanilla, coconut. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. Directions 23-24. In which of the following options figure X is exactly embedded as one of its part? मतलब exactly इसके अंदर fit in हुआ है. So if this is figure X, I don't see anything over here like a triangle. So for the best thing to do is find this triangle. ऐसा कुछ triangle है? Yes, I can see a triangle over here. And I can see this particular square and this line also, right? So this should be answer to this question because this is exactly in here. The next one, this one, okay? So this one I can see first of all dots होने चाहिए, तो dots तो है starting point. Then you need a straight line. You have a straight line here and it goes like this, but यहाँ से curve नहीं start हो रहा है. So no, ये तो straight line ही नहीं है. But this one is exactly same, right? यहाँ पे तो slanting है. So this should be answer to this question 24. Next question, question number 25. Which of the following numbers will continue the given series? So यहाँ पे question mark हमें find out करना है. So let us first look at the difference. Okay, 45 minus 42, this is 3. And then this is jump by 5. This is again 3. Then this is again 5. So the pattern is 3, 5, 3, 5. Okay, so this is 3. So the next should be 5, isn't it? So 61 plus 5 is 66. Option A should be answer to this question. If the day before yesterday was Thursday, then what day will be the day after tomorrow? Okay, so in this kind of questions, the first thing is to find out today. So day before yesterday. Yesterday से पहले वाला दिन. So Thursday था. So which means yesterday will be Friday. Which means today will be Saturday. Then what day will be the day after tomorrow? So today तो Saturday है, right? So tomorrow will be Sunday. And day after उसके बाद वाला दिन will be Sunday के बाद जो आता है वो है Monday. So that's why answer is option A, Monday. Question number 27. In a competition, there are 5 finalists. Yashika, she has only one girl behind her. Anya, she is not the first. Soumya, she is just after Minnie. Kirti, She is just Yashika. Dash and dash stood at first and last positions respectively. So there are five finalists. Panch hai. Okay. So which means there are five positions. So I'm going to make five positions here with the help of dots. Okay. ये questions mentally solve नहीं करने चाहिए. This has to be tried on rough sheet. Okay. So five positions. Imagine this is my first position. Then Yashika, she has only one girl behind her. उसके पीछे एक ही girl है. Okay, so which means Yashika should be as at second last position. उसके बाद एक ही girl आएगी ना. Yashika will be here. So this is Yashika. Okay. Anya is, she is not the first. Okay, ठीक है. First नहीं है. Let's see. But we don't have anything about her. Soumya, she is just after Minnie. Okay, Minnie के बाद सौम्या है. Just after her. So first will be Minnie here and उसके बाद सौम्या. But we don't know सौम्या और Minnie का positions. Okay, so I'm going to write it this way. ठीक है. And Kirti is just before Yashika. Okay, this is Yashika और उसके just before Kirti है. So मतलब ये हो गई Kirti. ठीक है. और आन्या फर्स्ट नहीं है. मतलब आन्या का पोजीशन ये हो सकता नहीं है. वो ये हो सकता है सेकंड वाला या फिफ्थ वाला. ठीक है. बट ये दोनों की पोजीशंस हमें दिए हैं ना. व्हाट हैज बीन गिवन इज सौम्या. सौम्या शी इज जस्ट आफ्टर मिनी. सो मिनी के बाद सौम्या है. मतलब दो पोजीशंस हमारे फिक्स है. अब दो डॉट्स कहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. इट इज ओनली दीज टू, इजंट इट. हम इन दोनों को यहाँ तो फिट नहीं कर सकते ना. Right? So, which means Minnie is going to be first and Soumya, who is just after Minnie, is going to be the second one. अब बची कौन है? Anya. And she is not first. Anya is not first. That is also matching. So now let us look at, with this information, let us relook at the statements and see whether they are really coming correctly or not. Okay, यशिका का है शी हैज ओनली वन गर्ल बिहाइंड हर. यशिका के बाद एक ही गर्ल है. ठीक है. आन्या का क्या है? शी इज नॉट द फर्स्ट. ओके, शी इज नॉट फर्स्ट. देन सौम्या क्या है? शी इज जस्ट आफ्टर मिनी. शी इज जस्ट आफ्टर मिनी. करेक्ट है. एंड कीर्ति का है? शी इज जस्ट बिफोर यशिका. कीर्ति भी यशिका के आगे. सो ऑल दीज स्टेटमेंट्स आर कमिंग ट्रू, राइट? सो नाउ व्हाट इज फर्स्ट? फर्स्ट कौन है? मिनी. एंड यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट चाहिए, राइट? सो फर्स्ट इज मिनी एंड लास्ट इज आन्या. सो मिनी एंड आन्या स्टूड एट फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट पोजिशंस रिस्पेक्टिवली. तो हमें उसी ऑर्डर में लिखना है व्हेन इट इज रिस्पेक्टिवली. ओके, वी कांट इंटरचेंज द ऑर्डर. सो मिनी इज फर्स्ट and Anya is last, which is option B. And this is the answer to this question. Question number 28. How many triangles are there in the given figure? So this is the figure, right? Triangles कितने हैं? ये दो कान है. 1, 2, this bigger one, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 so far. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 so far. Let us just look. कुछ embedded triangle तो miss नहीं हुआ ना. Let us just recheck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is coming 12 only. So option C, 12 is the answer to this question. Moving to the next question. Ritvik walks towards south. After traveling some distance, he takes a left turn. And again, after traveling some distance, he takes a right turn. In which direction will he be facing now? Okay. So in such kind of questions you can draw the directions. You can quickly draw the directions for your reference. Let me do that. So putting the direction here, this is west, east, west, north and south. Okay. Now where is Ritvik? Ritvik walks towards south. Idhar ki taraf aa raha hai na. So let me do that. This is first position of Ritvik. He is walking towards south. Okay, like this. Then after traveling some distance, he takes a left turn. So वो ऐसे walk कर रहा है, so he's south facing, right? उसका left कहाँ रहेगा? It will be this. He is facing towards south, na? So it will be left, will be this. So he takes a left turn. Okay. And again, after traveling some distance, he takes a right turn. So abhi Rutvik is facing this, right? So uska left yahan hai or right yahan hai. So he will again go like this. Okay. All right. He takes a right turn. In which direction will he be facing now? वापस तो साउथ फेसिंग हो गया. So that's why answer is option D, south. Next question, question number 30. How many possible combinations of one cell phone and one color is possible to form with the given cell phones and colors? So you have been given cell phones P, Q, R, S, T, and you have been given colors black, white, grey, blue. So P के combinations चार हो सकते हैं, Q के combinations चार, R के चार, S के चार, and T के चार, which means the way of solving this kind of questions is simply multiply this by this. So these are what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4 is 20. So there can be 20 such combinations which are possible, which is option B. So with this we completed our chapter. So let me go to the table of content and put a tick mark on chapter 7 that yes, logical reasoning has been done as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with the subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.